In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12S, and today I would like to show you how you can use Keyboard Clipboard. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and then click on this icon at the top left corner. Now select Clipboard and finally, to use it, copy or cut any text. Now to paste it, you need to click on Clipboard, tap on your text and select Paste. If you want to, you can always delete your sentence by clicking on it and selecting Delete. And then go back to standard keyboard by clicking on this icon at the top left corner again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!